Hey guys, welcome to Tony's How-Tos. In this video, I'll show you how to join Discord servers on MOBA. So this is gonna be a very easy one, so let's get started. So by default, when someone is actually inviting you to join a Discord server, you'll be receiving a link into your account. But how do you actually use that link? So let's just open up Discord here. And in here, when you go to our messages here, you'll be able to see the specific link that you have or the person actually sent you, and you'll be able to just click on join or the link itself for you to able to join that specific server. So let's just click on join there. And from here, you'll be able to join that server. It's actually pretty easy if you already have that specific link there. As you can see right now, I joined this specific server at this moment. But how do you actually look for servers that you just maybe join to? So right now, with the PC version of Discord, you have the explore option at the left side of your screen. But right now, it is not actually available to us. So how do we get around that one? So when we click on the plus button, as you can see, there's no explore there. Either ways, when we click on the other button here, as you can see, there's no explore button as well. So let's just go back here. So for us to get around, we want to use the browser for Discord. Let's just go back here and open up any browser. So what we want to do is we want to type in Discord, and we want to open up the Discord website here. Just click on Discord. Now here, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and click on the three dotted icon that you see on your browser, and here make sure that you enable desktop site. So when we enable desktop site, a few buttons will be available to you. As you can see right now, we have the open Discord in your browser option. Just click on that. It's going to open up the login page for Discord, but if you're already logged in, you'll be able to access this easily. So since I'm already logged in, as you can see, it is my account. So how do I actually start using it to discover different Discord servers? So as you can see, since this is like the desktop version on my account or of my account, you will have the discover button there just next to the plus button there. Just click on discover and you'll be able to find your community on Discord. So now, for example, we want to maybe join the Minecraft server here. Let's just click on that. And from here, it's going to say a few things, but yeah, if you want to read this one, go ahead. So here, when we go and search for things here on our server that we just recently viewed, so it's gonna say you're currently in preview mode, join this server and start chatting. So just click on join Minecraft and you'll be officially joining that server. So just wait for this to load up properly. And as you can see right now, we've just successfully joined the Minecraft server, and that's about it. So when we go back into our Discord application, you should be able to see that you've just successfully joined that server. As you can see right now, I've just successfully logged in. As you can see, my Discord account now has these Minecraft server enabled on my account here. You just need to do this via your browser, and that's about it. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, you could use the link in the description to subscribe. See you in the next video.